If you want to use your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra as a webcam, then the best way to do so is by using a USB cable. You can connect your phone to, for example, your laptop or your computer, and then you have the option to use the phone as a webcam. So let me quickly demonstrate. So once you plug it in, once you connect the phone, we need to go to notifications, and then in here in notifications you should be able to find this information that USB is used to charge the phone, USB for charging phone. You want to tap on this option to open USB settings, and then in here we have the webcam option, as you can see over here. Now after that you will also find a notification about webcam, so you can tap over here to set it up. You can adjust the camera, for example, you can switch to the front camera, go back to the rear camera, and so on and so forth. And now you should be able to find the phone as a source for video, for a webcam essentially. It's going to be named like a USB video webcam or Android webcam, something like that. You should be able to find it in the app in which you want to use the webcam. You should be able to find the phone as the source for the video. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.